Hi there, my name is Abby and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, let's talk about the names of each finger. You'll probably say, what? Are you kidding? Even a child can name all the fingers: thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. In this beginner piano lesson, we'll learn the finger names in the language of music, that is finger numbers. We use finger numbers when we're learning the piano. Our fingers are numbered from 1 to 5. First of all, your thumb. Imagine when someone gives you a thumbs up. That means you have done a good job. It's a big success. You are number 1. So your thumb will always be finger number 1. And your index finger is finger number 2. Middle finger is finger number 3. Ring finger is finger number 4. And your little finger is finger number 5. Finger numbers are the same on both the right and the left hand. So again, finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You may wonder why finger numbers are important. It's because in piano music, a number may be placed near a note to show you which finger to use. Besides, you need to know the correct fingering for scales, chords, and arpeggios. And of course, throughout this beginner's piano course, I'll be using finger numbers to give instructions, so it's important to learn how to number your fingers. It's not uncommon to see that finger numbers are not written on the piano sheets. In this case, you're strongly advised to determine what fingers to use to play various keys before you start practicing, because which fingers you use will definitely affect the outcome of your piano playing. Choosing the wrong fingering may make it difficult to play the song at the proper tempo or speed. And the bad news is, it can cause a few weeks to change fingering because your muscles have learned to play the notes in a specific way. No one wants to start over, right? Therefore, when you learn a new piece of music, do take time to consider which finger plays which notes. In fact, there are several rules about how to choose the right fingerings, but it would be too in-depth for beginners, so I'm not covering it in this lesson. But don't worry, throughout this beginner piano course, I'll let you know which finger you should use. If there's any song that you really want to play, but you're not sure how to choose fingerings, you're welcome to ask me by leaving a comment below this video. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to play a C major scale with correct fingering. So make sure you memorize the number assigned to each finger. To recap, your thumbs are finger number 1, your index fingers are finger number 2, your middle fingers are finger number 3, your ring fingers are finger number 4, and pinkies are finger number 5. Thanks so much for learning with me. I make piano lessons here every week, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. I'm Abby, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Bye!